Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. It's time to make another trinket dish, this time with a My Little Pony figure, Fluttershy. So right now it's almost Valentine's and Easter's. So in the craft store there are lots of spring related materials, and so I picked up a lot of cute items. I got a packet of these Easter flowers. I got some tiny little plants and little moss, some rocks. So I want to incorporate all of this into our little dish. Hopefully we don't go overboard. Alright, let's get started. Let's start by painting Fluttershy. We're going to paint her body yellow and her tail and mane pink. Alright, and our Fluttershy is painted. She is already, except for the eyes. And this set comes with some eyes. So we have some stickers and also some water slide decals. And I've tried both before on the different ponies I've done. And I really like the water slide decals. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to use the water slide decals for Fluttershy here. Let's go ahead and cut it out one by one. Okay, let's start with the left eye. We're going to wet the decal until it's starting to slide off. It usually takes about 10 seconds. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to move. So this is always a little difficult because they're fragile and you don't want it to fold on themselves. So there we go. And now let's do the right eye. There we go, looking good. And of course we have the cutie mark. So each set comes with 2 cutie marks. So we get to put it on both sides of Fluttershy. And there we go. Next, I want to add another coat to Fluttershy here. So her coat right now looks a little bit flat. So I'm going to add a layer of Opal Magic in pink to her mane and tail. And then also some Opal Magic in just regular royal robes to her body. Next, we're going to design our tray. So I'm going to take my sticker sheet with these beautiful flower stickers, and let's put a few on the tray. Let's start with 3 big ones, and then a few small ones. Here on the corner, I'm adding a little tree using a glue gun. I'm adding a bit of green moss under the tree. Next, we're going to pour a thin layer of resin on the plate. We want to make sure we cover the moss so that it's protected. Using a heat gun, we're going to pop the bubbles. While the resin is still wet, we're going to build a little pond using green pebbles. We're also going to add a few green chips. Alright, so it's been about 14 hours and the bottom layer is done. I think it's looking so pretty. So there is a little smudge over here. There was a chip that floated over there, and then I tried to take it out, but by then the resin was already setting, so it kind of left a mark. But that's okay because we're going to do more over here. So the next thing I want to do is build another layer of rocks around this little pond area. So I still have a little bit more rocks. And instead of using glue, I'm going to be using clear UV resin. So this one cures under the UV light in just a few minutes. So we're just going to do a few rocks at a time and then set it once the rocks are in place. Alright, and our pond is ready. So there are 2 layers of rocks here and some UV resin on the inside to seal in any cracks. And the reason why I'm doing this is because we're going to fill in the little pond with some paint. I got these brand new Prism Fantasy paint. So this is a really cool paint that creates cells when mixed. And today I have 3 colors. I have turquoise, eggshell white, and marina. This paint is really easy to use. All we have to do is shake it up really well and then just drop it into the space that we want it to. And a little bit of white to make it more interesting. I'm going to take a toothpick and swirl it. And as we wait, the cells start to appear. For the last and final step, we're going to add 1 more layer of resin. And this time we're going to set Fluttershy into the resin and a few of these real flowers. Alright, now we wait for it to cure. Alright everyone, and here we have it. Our little trinket dish with Fluttershy is done. So here is Fluttershy. Next to her is a little tree with some pink flowers. Down here on the bottom of the tray, you can see that we have some flowers, some green chips, and a little pond. So this pond, the paint turned out super cute. As you can see, it's a mix of blue and teal, and then we have these white cells all over it. And here it is from the top. I think it looks really cute. So we have Fluttershy here standing in a bed of flowers, a little tree, and a little pond. So as a trinket dish, we have space here for some pins or pendants, and we can put little rings here inside the little pond. So this turned out really cute, and I'm really happy about it. So this one is our 4th one. Have you seen the other ones? We have Rainbow Dash here in a larger tray and glittery rainbows. We have Twilight Sparkle here in color changing paint. And back here we have Rarity standing inside a crown. This actually works really well as a little ring tray too. You can put your rings here on the little crown tips. So we have 2 more to go. We have Pinkie Pie and we have Applejack. Do you have any ideas on what we can do with them? Do you want to see trays, or do you want to see little bowls, or whatever idea you might have? So let me know down below in the comment section what you think I should do. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye!